Welcome to Mama's Minerals Online. My name is Anne-Marie and I'll be your host. Today we're going to be making a beautiful and simple necklace. And we're going to be using this kit that we offer on the Mama's Minerals website, which is a turquoise and onyx necklace and earring kit. Now, instructions are included in this kit, and I do recommend always reading the instructions completely through before beginning any project. However, we are providing this supplemental video for your enjoyment, and you can refer to it anytime you need to. So to begin, we are going to lay out all of our tools. Most of what you need is in the kit. We'll be using a crimp tool, chain nose pliers, a side cutter tool, round nose pliers, and a flat nose pliers. The tools we do have available online at our Mama's Minerals website, and the brand that we offer is Bead beading tools, as well as Softflex beading wire. If you enjoy making this kit and you want to make other necklaces in the same style, you can go online and buy the nylon coated wire, which is a very strong beading wire that we use in all of our kits and all of our projects. So our first step after reading the instructions and laying out all of our tools is going to be to lay out all of our materials for the beading project. And the most important thing to do is, after you've laid out all your beads in your beading tray, you're going to want to lay out the design of your necklace. And the reason it's important to lay out the design of your necklace on your beading tray is so that you don't make any mistakes when you decide to start putting the beads on your beading wire. So I have laid out all of my beads here on my tray in the exact way that I want to string them. And I'm going to take the wire here that I have, which is a piece of Softflex, and I'm going to open up the bead stopper wide and just place that Softflex wire right in there. And once you've put your bead stopper on the end of your necklace, you'll begin beading. And you'll see that the reason for the bead stopper is so that once your beads go onto your necklace, as you can see I have a bead right there, if you make any mistakes and you're halfway through the necklace, you can just go back to your bead stopper, pull it off, and fix your mistake. And in that way, you can make sure to have a lot less hassle when making your first necklace.